The KTM 125 SX takes its leads directly from the KTM Factory Racing team for pure performance, pure results. Like the sound it makes, you won't forget it. There are very few sounds that can't be beaten. The crack of a soda can on a blistering hot day, the ping of the perfectly executed golf shot, and the scream of a 125cc 2-stroke full throttle. The KTM 125 SX is set to continue its dominance in its class with unrelenting forward momentum. The overall engine weight is only 17 kilograms and carries impressive horsepower figures. This lightweight powerplant retains its typical high-revving character while laying down the grunt where it matters most. With FE comes great rideability, along with the electronic fuel injection and a power valve on the KTM SX models, allowing for more usable power throughout the rev range. Factory Performance Kit. Give your KTM 125 SX a more bite with a 125 Factory Performance Kit. Comprising of upgraded engine parts, a factory expansion chamber, and special engine mapping, it provides a 2.5 horsepower increase while saving 15% of weight over the standard exhaust parts. A forged steering head connection and CNC milled triple clamps make for the perfect alignment of the fork tubes. This precise geometry of the fork clamps ensures highly responsive and smooth fork action. The 48mm WPXACT air forks fitted to the KTM SX and SXF lineup features a capsulated air spring and pressurized oil chamber for progressive and consistent damping, while oil and air bypasses reduce pressure peaks. In combination with the mid-valve damping system, all this provides exceptional feedback and rider comfort. The WPXACT rear shock uses settings directly from the KTM Factory Racing teams. The frame and shock geometry mean more ground clearance at the linkage, making it less susceptible to bottoming out. Small diameter linkage bolts save way. Tires getting power hooked into the dirt is a tough job. However, hours of research and testing have led the KTM motocross range to the Dunlop Geomax MX34. Count on a durable chain guide and chain guard and minimize the chances of hooking on external objects, especially in extremely muddy terrain, while reducing dirt buildup around the swing arm and rear sprocket. Ergonomics tank shrouds using bi-compound plastics channel air towards the radiators more efficiently, while a concise fuel tank roll makes for a tighter, more secure fitment, reducing the chance of frame scrubbing and dramatically improving durability. All this works alongside the specially developed rider triangle to provide unmatched knee contact and gripping surfaces, especially when standing on the pegs.